Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So here we go with another tutorial. Just getting right into it, starting off with the Urban Decay primer portion. I just put it on my eyelids and using my fingers to blend it everywhere up to my eyebrows. And if you wish, you can use a brush for this also. Now I'm gonna go in with the Naked Urban Decay Smoky Palette, and I'm just going in with the shade Combust and blending it in my crease as a transition shade. So just using a Zoeva brush, a blending brush, and going in with it and blending it as much as I can. I'm sorry the lighting is changing a little as the sun is setting, and as you all know, I use natural lighting. So there is a little change in light during the video. I'm then going in with the shade Whiskey and just adding that into my crease, but in a more concentrated area to create that transition. And I've just deepened the crease using that shade and blending it as well as I can. This is the first time that I'm doing such a close-up video for my eyeshadow, so I do hope you guys enjoyed it and find it more helpful, as you can see in detail how I'm doing the blending and all. I'm just going back with the shade Combust and blending the two colors together so it's nice and seamless. As you can see, I try to spend a little extra time on my crease so everything is blended nicely, as it creates a good base for the rest of my eyeshadow. I'm again going in with the shade Whiskey for my outer corner and just deepening up that outer V. I'm just patting it in at the moment. I haven't really blended it in much, and then just blending it slightly into the crease. I know it looks a little messy right now and all, but trust me, it will all come together. Now going in with the shade Radar, I'm just packing that all over my eyelids. The color payoff wasn't as good as I wanted it to be, as it's a metallic-y shade, like a shimmery shade. I wanted it to really pop and shine. So if you do want that, suggest you go in with some other eyeshadow that has more of a metallic finish to give that slightly more glamorized feel. But I mean, I sprayed it with the Fix Plus later and it did work out all good. So then I went in with the shade High. This is a really nice highlighting shade. I loved this color. And just putting it in my inner corners and blending it. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade Armor and just adding that to the outer V as well, just to make it a little more shiny, as I wanted this look to be slightly more shimmery as it was a night look. And as you all know, I love shimmery, shiny, sparkly, any of that. I went in with the shade High and just blended it a little higher on top of Radar to give that more slightly shinier and brighter feel, because I felt like the look had become a little dark. And then just blending away, blending everything into place. Whenever you're working with dark colors, it's important that you make sure everything is well blended. If not, it can just look like a big mess. Which, to be honest, at one point I did feel it what started to look, but then just blending everything in. And now just adding the Whiskey shade on my lower lash line to smoke it out slightly, but not too much. Using this Zoeva pencil brush that I have been loving, especially for my lower lash line. I've really been enjoying this. As you can see, even just adding that little extra on your lower lash line really pulls the look together. And after we go in with the liner and everything, it looks really nice. Just making sure everything is blended and that inner corner is nicely well lit up. Adding that color, just brightening it a little. And as I said, I went in with the Fix Plus and added the shade Radar again, just to make it more prominent and sparkly. So that's a tip. If you feel some colors aren't as shimmery or sparkly as you want it to be, it's a good idea just to spritz it with a setting spray or Fix Plus or something along those lines. Just spray that on your brush and then dip it into your eyeshadow and just pack it on your eyelids. As you can see, it's always better to add things and layer it up for eyeshadows rather than just go in at once, because you will tend to create a mess. I went in with the NARS eyeliner. It's like a nude color for my lower lash line, because my eye look was so dark already. I didn't feel like adding like a black liner, because I was planning to go in with a red lip. I mean, I am planning to go in with a red lip, so I used the Makeup Forever Aqua Eyes eyeliner, pencil liner, and I just smudged it as close to my lash line as possible, because I didn't want that shiny or like that set eyeliner. I wanted it a little softer. So if you do like that kind of a look, or you want to create that kind of a look, it's a good idea to use a pencil rather than a liquid or gel. And then just going in with my pencil brush, I just smudged that and created a slight wing with by smudging it, so it looks soft and nice. And then I added the Urban Decay glitter liner in the shade Punk Rock just on top of my eyeliner. It's like a purpley eyeliner, but on top of that black liner, it just looked really, really nice. It's really nice eyeliner, especially if you want to create a glittery line. They are available in many shades. And then now going in with the Gigi Hadid mascara from Maybelline. You can add as much mascara as you want, or you can do very little bit of it and just add falsies as well. But for an everyday like dinner or something, I usually don't apply false lashes. It's only on special occasions or weddings or bigger events that I use false lashes. So this was the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, paired with my red lips. And if you did, please do like, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram at makeupdiariesbysukrita. Bye guys, till next time.